Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook OTP not received. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, maybe there's just a problem with your network right here. Okay, as carriers often temporarily delay short code or short code SMS messages if your cellular network is unstable. So what you'll do is just go out and find a place, maybe outside your house, to gain a network. And then once done, try to log in and an OTP should arrive in no time. All right. Also, when you go head over to your messages, maybe you've blocked the Facebook OTP. All right. So what you'll do is just go ahead over to your messaging apps options or settings, and then find the spam and blocked section. Okay. Now go ahead and find Facebook right here or Facebook OTP. Maybe you've just blocked it, and then all you got to do is just tap on it and unblock it. All right. Report it as not spam. Now, another option, maybe you're trying to log in and most likely you have set up an authentication or authenticator such as Microsoft Authenticator or a Google Authenticator or any other authenticator. Okay. You'll have to find the code on those authenticators. Or if you believe that you still have your phone number, you still have your authenticator, you still have the email, when it asks you to enter an authentication, select the option try another way, or the ones with the hyperlink that says it didn't get a code. You're going to want to tap on it so that the authentication or authentication code will be sent either to your email, authenticator app, or even WhatsApp. All right, there you have it. That is how you fix OTP not received on Facebook. I hope this video helps you. I'll see you in the next one.